Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1961 MGA Roadster. It's a 1600 Mark I fitted with wire wheels, front disc brakes, really good model. It's finished in this lovely metallic wine red, black interior, black cloth soft top, 4-speed, 48 spoke painted wire wheels. Chrome luggage rack. Super little car here. Nice cosmetic restoration on a superb rust-free, straight, solid, I believe it's a California car. Mechanically great. I've driven this car. I've jumped in it and thrashed it around the block. So brakes, steering, suspension, gearbox, engine goes very well. I can see why the 1600 is a big improvement over the 1500. The 1600 seems to just get up and go a bit better. But yeah, really lovely paintwork. Not too old. It looks pretty fresh to me. Really good chrome all the way around. Excellent panel fit. You can see how the hood gaps are really nice on this car. Door gaps are quite good, you know, for being an MGA. But really good quality base coat, clear coat with nice newer chrome work. You can see bumpers are new, lights, all the decals. There's that chrome luggage rack. Nice set of Nexon radial tires. They've been updated and they're new. Really nice upgraded cloth black soft top that fits great. Windshield glass is excellent. That's in great order. But you can see when the chrome went on this car, they did mostly all new rubber. They took the beading out of the fenders, which is nice, and replaced it. So, but yeah, super good body. I don't see any damage. I don't see hardly any paint issues going on. But really attractive driver that's had a fresh cosmetic restoration done recently. I'll just do a final walk here, and then we'll take a look at the car's interior. Yeah, so interior-wise, this has just been freshly completed. All new carpets, new door panels. Seats have been completely reupholstered here in matching vinyl. What's nice is this dashboard's correctly painted to match the body color on the car. There's a beautiful wood wheel fitted with a little chronograph stop clock there on the windshield, on the steering wheel. Back here you can see it's all been nicely upholstered properly, and it's kind of dark back there with the top up, but yeah, all nicely finished. Car needs just a couple knickknacks, maybe a little piece of rubber fitting, and I think the passenger seat needs to be bolted down. You probably want to put a set of seat belts for safety. Let me try and get the trunk up here. Yeah, so in the trunk we see it's been nicely painted as well, all correct body color. So when they painted the car, they completely stripped the trunk and painted it beautifully in there. Nice set of newer side screens. They're just a little bit dusty. They need to be just to be washed. And then we've got a black tonneau cover in vinyl included with the spare tire you can see there. But yeah, if you take a look, really nice fitting trunk lid. Undercarriage on this car is pretty decent. It is tidy. It's not really been steam cleaned and restored, but you know, if you're going to enjoy the car, it's perfectly fine underneath. But the car starts up, runs and drives great, good oil pressure, shifts good, steers good, shocks feel nice, tires feel great. That 1600 engine really loves to get up and go and rev. Let me show you the engine compartment. The engine compartment is original, but you know, a couple weekends you could enhance it if you'd like to, you know, just touch paint the radiator and the engine and go over a few things. Looks like the wiring harness is new, or that looks in really good condition. But yeah, there it is. That's a 1600 GA prefix motor. Like I said, in great mechanical health. It looks like brakes have been done as well. But originally a Chariot red car, so engine bay looks pretty tidy overall. But like I said, you could spend a couple weekends just playing with that and you know, tidying that up easily quite a bit. But yeah, there it is. As of late, we've had lots of requests for MGAs, so here's your chance. This is a very, very nice, cosmetically restored 1600 Mark I Roadster on an excellent driving, mechanically good, no stories, super solid car. 1961 MGA 1600 Mark I, finished in this beautiful metallic wine red, black interior, black cloth soft top, vinyl tonneau, chrome luggage rack, 4-speed, 48-spoke painted wire wheels. What a pretty little car here. It's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. We're going to be posting a driving video of this car after the holidays.